How important is it where you source your ingredients from? Because काफ़ी restaurants में you notice वो कहते हैं हाँ ये यहाँ से import हुआ है, प्याज यहाँ से आई है. How important is it? Is it more important कि हाँ ठीक है आप decent जगह से source करें ingredients, but then what you do with it, how you prepare it, or do you think these things also matter whether you're getting the finest ingredients or importing it from somewhere else?
See, if I'm charging for the ingredients, the premise has to be that I am honest to myself, I'm honest to my business, and I'm honest to my customer. If I'm only building a story where I'm just saying ki, I'm getting the finest ingredients of ABC and then I'm charging that much, and then I'm not giving that, आज नहीं तो कल नहीं तो परसों पकड़े जाओगे. खाना, कैमरा और माइक बोलते हैं. They don't just have ears, they also have a mouth. It's a very deep thought. मैं आज कुछ माइक में बोल रहा हूँ ना, so sound is something that I have learned. I'm sure you have also learned. It's not just my voice, it's every other voice that it's. And what is going to speak is all those voices. It's not only going to speak my voice because, hey, Chef Ajay Chopra is sitting in front of me. No. So is the camera. It's going to take my emotion. And so is food. When we were making TV programs, we were told that, nahi, aise karo. I said, nahi karunga. Because that's not how it is done. People are going to see it and mock me if they see I'm going to be lying about something. It cannot be. So not today, not tomorrow, you will be found, right? So the fact is that I need to decide again in the vision and in the concept, who am I? If I'm saying that I will only source sustainable ingredients. So one of the restaurants that we are doing in Mumbai and Pune is called Pash. The owner's lifestyle says we are sustainable. They've stopped wearing any other cloth than cotton. Any other cloth. So they only do linen and cotton, right? Because they know that any kind of fabric that is involved in mixing is not sustainable. So their lifestyle is first like this. So in 2018, when I was sitting with this gentleman, Mr. Sunil Karad, he actually owns the MIT University in Pune. He and I was speaking and he said that I want to open a restaurant which is sustainable. My first question, sir, what do you mean by sustainable? Because do you mean and believe in what you're saying? And then he gave me this, that, Ajay, look at my shirt, look at my trouser. I want to live sustainable because for me, sustainability is not just a talk or a thought, it's a lifestyle. So if I am having a lifestyle of sustainability, then I need to create a restaurant which is sustainable. Then we started to throttle about the fact that, okay, what makes a sustainable restaurant? So for me, I am a brand ambassador for the European Union More Than Food Products in India. The one question that keeps getting asked by me that how can it be sustainable? You say that it's sustainable, but it's been flown from so many miles away. So I tell them that, yes, I understand that it's been flown from so many miles away. And that does tick off one of the aspects of sustainability of this particular format. But what about the growing procedures? If I'm buying, let's say, a tomato in India, was it grown without pesticides? Was it grown in a manner that my field is going to be sustainable? Was it grown in a biodiverse way? The all answers are no. So if I'm importing a tomato which is much finer and better, I know that I'm paying a heavy price for it, but I will get a good price for it as well. And for me, what are premium ingredients? Why does Dubai and Abu Dhabi have all the premium ingredients? Because they realize the meaning of premiumness. And that's what they pay the price for. So if I'm not speaking that language and abiding by it, then my customer is going to find out. So today, if my concept note does not state any of this, I'm just going to make good food, a great butter chicken. तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता मेरा प्याज अफ्रीका से आ रहा है या अल्जीरिया से आ रहा है या नॉर्थ अमेरिका से आ रहा है या पाकिस्तान से आ रहा है, इंडिया से आ रहा है. बटर चिकन खाओगे, उंगली चाटते रह जाओगे. दैट्स माई प्रॉमिस. सो व्हाट्स द प्रॉमिस यू आर मेकिंग? देन माई एवरीथिंग एल्स फॉलोज बिहाइंड. अब मेरे को पता है कि अमूल बटर का टेस्ट वर्सेस लुरपक का टेस्ट बहुत अलग है. मेरे बटर चिकन में स्वाद अमूल बटर देगा, लुरपक नहीं दे सकता, चाहे कितना ही अच्छा बटर हो, राइट? क्योंकि मेरे जबान में अमूल चढ़ा हुआ है. सो माई प्रॉमिस इज ग्रेट बटर चिकन, इंडिया वाला बटर चिकन. सर्विंग माई प्रॉमिस. But if my promise says that I'm going to give you the most healthiest butter chicken with low fat butter and less cream, and this and that, then I serve my promise. Is what I am serving is what I am saying.